Wow, this is really awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's Snowfall in Jumla. It's really chilling and cold. The whole of the mountain will be white soon. This is one of the medical colleges over here. Wow, beautiful. Here we have a beautiful snowfall at Jumla, Nepal. Today is 28th of February 2025. Wow. It was raining since last night for almost 12 to 13 hours, and it has just started having snowfall right now. It's beautiful over here. Wow. On the another side of the house, we have mountains. The whole of the mountain will be covered with white snow within half an hour, I suppose.